Welcome back to the channel. The Lifeboat Provision Inventory. A lifeboat is more than just a floating shell. It's a self-contained survival unit, and the provisions carried inside are meticulously regulated to ensure the occupants can survive until rescued. This entire inventory is governed by strict international regulations, primarily the Safety of Life at Sea, or SOLAS, Convention. The provisions carried are designed to sustain the maximum number of people the boat is certified to carry. They fall into three main categories: water and rations, first aid and thermal protection, and signaling and navigation equipment. Starting with sustenance, every lifeboat must be stocked with sufficient fresh drinking water. The minimum standard requires 3 liters of fresh water per person, often stored in watertight containers. Alongside water are the emergency food rations. These are high-calorie, non-thirst-provoking food packages that are stable and designed to have a long shelf life. They are vacuum-sealed and protected from moisture, providing the necessary energy for survival. Next is medical care and protection. The inventory includes a waterproof, comprehensive first aid outfit, ensuring basic medical attention can be provided. Crucially, thermal protection is guaranteed by thermal protective aids or blankets, one for every person in the lifeboat who is not wearing an immersion suit. This is vital for combating hypothermia, the greatest killer in cold water survival. For signaling and locating, the inventory is critical for rescue. This includes handheld flares, a set of rocket parachute flares, and buoyant smoke signals used to attract the attention of search and rescue units. A whistle and a signaling mirror are also mandatory for short-range communication. Navigation is supported by a properly adjusted compass and often a sea anchor to stabilize the boat in heavy weather. Finally, the lifeboat must contain essential utility equipment. This includes items like buckets, a knife attached to the boat by a lanyard, 2 buoyant bailers for water removal, an opener for the food and water containers, fishing tackle, and tools for minor repairs to the engine or hull. A printed copy of the survival instructions is also secured within the boat. All these items are routinely checked, inspected, and maintained by the crew. Inspections confirm that all provisions are present, undamaged, and within their expiry dates. The completeness of the lifeboat provision inventory is what turns a floating craft into a true capsule of hope. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.